Wait, so how did you get into physics fair initially?
I so
Yeah.
I am a victim of the clickbait of astronomy,
Uh-huh.
which is a very big clickbait. उसको अच्छे से करने के लिए क्या बेसिक्स क्या करने पड़ते हैं, फिजिक्स. फिर that's how I that's literally there's no complex answer to that. That's the thing.
So you were fascinated by astronomy,
Yeah,
and then initially, well, ऐसा क्या मिला जो astronomy से fascinate कर लिया?
I used to read so I used to read encyclopedias ऐसे from
हाँ.
cover to cover, जो जनरली 10 साल के बच्चे नहीं करते. बट आई मीन करते हैं, पर बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं करते. मैं करता था. एंड ऐसे आई यूज टू, सो देयर वाज दिस लाइब्रेरी दैट वाज my mom and like whatever put me into it, and they used to allow like to take one book every 3 days. I used to go there every day to change a book because in the summer vacation, because I used to finish those encyclopedias.
Mm-hmm.
Because मैं घर पे कुछ नहीं करता था, मैं सिर्फ स्पेस के encyclopedia से अच्छे अच्छे पिक्चर है, स्टार आए ऐसे. And I was fascinated by how things work. How do we get to know of like say stars millions of miles away,
Yeah.
like light years away, इधर बैठ के सिर्फ general fascination था. As now I've learned to call it and sort of understand what it is. I was craving for like as you said, I was craving for intellectual stimulation. कि भाई कैसे होता है ये, क्या होता है. That is curiosity again. That's what fueled me. That yeah, I don't think there's anything, not anything that I've been able to reconstruct further.
Uh-huh, interesting. And that's the curiosity that drives you आज भी ना physics करने के लिए, philosophy
yeah.
करने के लिए.
And there are bad things when like I solve assignments, differential equation नहीं होता.
हाँ.
I sit hours, I sit nights, I sit with all of my friends. नहीं होता ना. So at times I hate it. I like मेरे को नहीं करना है.
अच्छा करना है.
हाँ, तो मैं ऐसा कुछ भी ऐसा, that's why philosophy and all of these things help, no? um I play music, I play tabla a little bit, I do some of my music, I read. So all of these things you can do when you hate the main thing that you're doing, but somehow then eventually you can come back to it later.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, there are not everything I love about physics, but generally overall the vibe is nice.
Physics, interesting. Wait, so तेरा J का तू आ गया खत्म हो गया तेरा?
हाँ.
You're at Ashoka right now. You packed your, actually not packed your bags. First semester online था ना तेरा? COVID.
हाँ हाँ.
तो you've packed your bags, but then तू देखता है COVID है, you re-unpack your bag.
No, I never packed because my 12th was also in COVID only. So we knew from the start the first semester at least was online.
God damn, मैंने भी COVID की थी.
Orientation में मेरा online ही था. तो I mean, what orientation of the campus can you give online? You can imagine what kind of an orientation it was. पता ही नहीं है कुछ.
Students, I'm gonna give you a campus tour. खिड़की के बाहर फोटो दिखाई. This is the campus.
Bro, they did like a lot of effort though. So उस टाइम पे I don't know अभी है क्या नहीं, पर कैंपस का वर्चुअल टूर अवेलेबल था वेबसाइट पे.
Oh, अभी भी I think.
अभी भी है ना?
I think so, yeah. Holy shit.
मैं वही देखता था पहले, पर एक्चुअल आने के बाद पता चला.
बहुत different.
हाँ.
I mean, असली खुद देखा तो difference होगा ना.
It's a good, but it's a beautiful campus.
I know.
I like it.
It's quite small, so you know everyone, and everyone knows you. Though.
Yeah,
I like that part of it. So, for when second semester, you were on campus for the first time, तब ना?
हाँ.
तो मतलब homesick हुआ थोड़ा? Did you miss Pune?
Yeah. But I mean, obviously, एक तो I came in like when the COVID was, second wave was very high, peak.
Oh, that's when you came.
Yes.
Oh, the risk.
And I actually came in when I came, there were only 20 people from our entire batch on campus.
God damn.
Because we were the physics and bio lab people.
So you had to come.
Yes.
for that
So we were
course.
called early. Entire batch came like 1.5 months later.
Uh-huh.
So we were, just because of practicals we can't do online lab experiments. So that's what. So I mean, obviously I felt homesick. First 5 days I was quarantined alone in an RH5 room. So I did not see a human. I barely saw a human for 5 days. And this was the first time I was staying for an extended period of time outside of. Obviously I was homesick, and yeah. Eventually I moved out and like I made friends, and then I told घर पे भी कि हाँ भाई लोग इधर अच्छे काफ़ी decent लोग हैं अच्छे. So then it was fine. I mean, and now coming out of Pune and like living out of Pune for a significant amount of time, I have begun to treasure and like love the city more, and sort of understood
Pune back.
yeah. Understood like the actual privilege of living in such a nice city. Once I've not lived in it for a significant amount of time. I do miss Pune regularly.
I mean, you can't cycle here as much as you can there. Yeah, but the roads are pollution
I
and
mean, you can't breathe well here.
exactly.
as a
You
well
can't breathe
free.
here.
So उधर से ही चालू होता है
हाँ.
सब.
And I'm from Gurgaon, so I know. तो मैं जब फर्स्ट ईयर मेरा फ्रेशमैन वीक ओरिएंटेशन वीक चल रहा था लास्ट सेमेस्टर. आई रिमेंबर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल वर रियली कंसर्न्ड अबाउट फ्रेंड्स.
हाँ.
दोस्त नहीं बनेंगे, दोस्त कहाँ हैं, दोस्तों को क्या हुआ, दोस्त तो बने नहीं है अभी तक. पर जस्ट I won't have friends, I don't want to eat lunch alone, all that stuff. Now everyone was really desperate. बहुत जल्दबाजी थी उस सब की. तो इन योर एक्सपीरियंस जब तू आया था कैंपस में, तेरे पास सेम एंग्जाइटी थी दोस्तों की इतनी?
मेरा थोड़ा सी माइन इज अ सैम्पलिंग बायस
What do you mean?
बिकॉज
अच्छा फिजिक्स.
नहीं एक तो ये है व्हेन आई केम आई हैड ओनली 20 पीपल ऑन कैंपस.
राइट.
I mean, of my batch, and they were either physics majors and bio majors. So my initial friends were only those.
राइट.
So my initial friends were those because we had to have classes together, we had to have lunch together, and all those things. So in a sense, मेरे को बहुत choice नहीं मिली कि ओ भाई 700 लोग हैं कैंपस पे, किससे दोस्ती करूं. तो I don't know if it worked out for me better or worse.
Yeah.
But yeah. So, but later as more people came, yeah, I mean, nobody really teaches you how to make friends and
Or how to talk to
दोस्ती
people.
और अच्छी बनानी है और अच्छी मतलब exactly क्या करना है भाई, तुझे रात में सबके साथ मूवी देखनी है, खाने जाना है, यही तो चीजें करनी होती है. They don't, I mean, you can delve into all sorts of philosophizing of all of these things.
Yeah.
But it's not that deep sometimes. कि anxiety होनी अच्छी बात है कि अच्छे लोगों से मतलब दोस्ती बनानी है. But somewhere I think the overthinking of that just kills the thing.
That I need to have friends.
Yes.
Yeah.
And it's fine. It's fine to eat sometimes alone. It's fine.
Yeah.
You can't have every like company for every single meal, especially when you're 24/7 on campus.
Yeah, that's exhausting.
And it's fine. And initially first year में होता है मैं भी होता था कि oh I don't want to eat alone. कि otherwise if I was eating with some friends and I see someone sitting alone, I used to like I'm not ashamed. I actually judge them कि भाई दोस्त नहीं है किधर है, ऐसे क्यों है.
हाँ.
अभी I sort of generally have mellowed down कि नहीं भाई, it's fine. Even I eat meals alone sometimes, and it's in fact if you are having constantly meals in some company, like with even if they're your friends, try and eat alone. No, sometimes you see a random philosophizing brain talking, and I don't know why, but even when people eat alone, I have observed the two kinds: people who are always watching something on their phone when they eat, and people who are not watching something or hearing songs or whatever, and people who are just eating alone. And I find both people like interesting because so for breakfast, for example, I go very early. So usually now I rarely have I have a group of friends who generally have the breakfast at same time as me, but it's not that our times compulsorily match. So some days of the week they don't match. So then sort of I eat alone, and I love eating alone breakfast in the morning. And sometimes I'm also bored कि भाई कोई दोस्ती नहीं है. But it's fine. I've like sort of learned to
spend time alone.
Yeah. It's good. Spend time alone कि तुम्हें क्या करना है. Spend time with your thoughts. All of those cliche things.
हाँ.
You can do. It's nice.
I think Naval Ravikant का क्या था?
Solitude वाला.
Great man of will sort something like that. Yeah, that was really nice. अंकुर ने share करा था actually वो. So a lot of in general, have you gotten better at talking to people? जैसे तूने mention करा, no one really teaches you how to talk to people, how to interact with people. है ना? In my case, so I met a lot of people, but I'm pretty bad at sustaining relationships. I'm not used to that. So I text maybe once in every 4 days, 5 days, 3 to 5 days, and that's pretty long for a lot of people. But that's what I'm used to. Or I don't even text at all, and I just meet them in person because I don't use my phone that often. So I had to understand कि भाई नहीं, people, if you're trying to become friends with someone, you have to text them, not इतना ज़्यादा gap नहीं आना चाहिए बीच में. So things like that I learned how to talk to people, how to listen better, which I'm already learning through this podcast. Right?
So that is another thing I learned. Yeah.
How to listen?
Yes. Oh, so in the small incident in summer, I got actually like advised by a good friend कि and this is like fully cliche advice, but it like fully changed, like actually changed my approach to conversations.
Uh-huh.
And this is a lot of people fall into this trap of trying to being interesting, be interesting and talk about interesting things. But as you said, not I mean, not do not try to be interesting and talk about yourself.
Yeah, sometimes
Just try to be interested. Try to listen.
yeah.
If you are interested in what everybody's doing, then that it also takes away whatever social anxiety you have, because you are just here to learn about what other people are talking
Exactly.
about.
Yeah.
You don't need to talk about yourself. And when you ask somebody first, ki, what are you doing? What are your courses this semester? All of those things.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, make conversations about them first. People end up asking you, and then you can talk whatever little you want to. And I think it makes the process much easier, and it also makes them feel better.
Listening to people.
Yes.
So the best advice
That
I
is the
think.
best advices my friend gave me.
Yeah.
I have followed it.
Ki listen to people.
I still, yeah,
Ah.
and it's worked out pretty well. I mean, I am just a 20-year-old kid. What do I know what works and what not? But like whatever, yeah.
Yeah, I think that's the best way to just make friends or have any kind of relationship with anyone.
Huh? And you also don't need to text 100 people every 2 days to maintain relationship. तुमको like prioritize ना क्या? Who are your better friends? Who are your I said Sahil Bloom. Who are your front row people is what he calls.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever you try to do any new thing or anything which is slightly different, who, and say for example, you can give the analogy of a performance. For me, I actually perform sometimes, so for me it's an actual literal thing.
Yeah.
Who are the people sitting in the front row cheering you on?
Yeah.
Identify those people and
Stay in touch
maintain like your best relationships with them only.
Yeah, put an effort in that.
Yeah, you say surface, you have limited amount of this, no? So you think of it in terms of flux. Where I mean, not we. I am a physics student. I'm not gonna leave that until the end. But so flux, no. So if you want to increase surface area initially, sure. About how many people you text, how many people you try to make friends with.
Yeah.
Eventually, you need to settle down with people and like
Select few.
yes,
Huh.
and then sort of concentrate there.
Yeah.
And I mean, yeah, that's it.
I think really zeroing down the people that actually
Yeah.
you like talking to
Yeah.
and you like even listening to, because sometimes people just keep on talking and we end up saying a lot. We end up talking a lot, but we end up saying too little.
Oh my god.
That kind of thing.
That is you just pointed out the quote that is I've stuck it on my laptop. It's one of my favorite fantasy novels.
The Name of
Favorite
the Wind.
quote. Yes.
Uh,
I had talked too much, said too little. I've put it on my laptop. It's golden.
like the sticker यहाँ पर ऐसा.
Yes. इधर है वो.
Like on the trackpad.
Yes. Here there are different stickers.
Uh-huh.
Here they are more sort of as a showy, as a clickbait, as मतलब whatever externally showy pictures. And
Such as
there are like whatever personal stickers.
like quotes and stuff.
Yes.
Okay.
I am a quotes guy, but also I have friends who hate quotes.
Who hate?
Yeah.
I've never met such people.
What I've learned doing philosophy is there can be constructed arguments for almost everything. Basically, what I mean is I get where they
the
can
word?
come from. I
Oh.
can get where they can come from. So my friend, for example, who hates quotes, thinks that I think that they come from a place where no like real wisdom and sort of insight
Mm-hmm.
can just be throwaway lines in one or two. It has to be substantial.
Yeah, I think you have to be prepared for the quote as well.
Huh.
You know what I mean? Like, you read that quote and you're like, this is what I feel. I've been trying to articulate this subconsciously, and now it's here.
Yes.
Right? Sometimes the quote hits you when you're older or when you're at a different stage in your life. So I think
Yeah.
that's what was.
But
I do agree.
I am a quotes guy regardless. I save all of my Kindle highlights. I read them again and again. Quotes का.
Uh-huh.
तो वो मैं करता हूँ बीच में.
तो मेरा तो नोशन डॉक है, मैं तो बड़ा खुश हूँ. हर दिन ऐड करता हूँ उसको कुछ ना कुछ नया.
I send whenever I finish a book Kindle पे उसके highlights PDF भेजता है वो.
Oh.
तो email पे you can send.
But share your thing with me, I'll share you mine.
Okay.
Because it'll be fun.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, when I came here, I saw तो मैं स्कूल में कभी किसी चीज़ में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करता था. No outdoors activity, no extra curriculars, nothing. Not even my own discipline. मतलब discipline क्या subjects. उसमें कुछ क्लास के बाहर नहीं करता था because I was really nervous and anxious and all. But when I came here, or when I took a gap year rather, I realized the importance of just putting myself in situations that are uncomfortable, that are unfamiliar. doing things that I'm not used to doing. And when I did that, I learned so much.
Yeah, yeah.
Right, just insane how much I learned. And so that's the practice that I do even here. I apply for uh, TGR auditions. I apply for certain things that I want to do. I went on stage even though I'm not a trained musician. I just do it for fun. And every time I do that, I learn a lot. I talk to people that I wouldn't otherwise talk to. I go to seminars, English ke seminars काफ़ी जाता हूँ मैं, even though I'm not an English major. And I learned so much. But I remember I was in a TCR meeting, the Comic Relief, and yes, that is a serious club.
I agree. Most people don't, but I agree because one of my friends is also there.
Okay, that's why you agree. And we were, so the head was telling us, Aryan naam liya tha, I don't think he won't mind. Aryan Bhandari, he was saying ki, okay, we're having this play वगैरह, TGR इसमें part लेगा. I think Thursday night live लेता है, and he's like, everyone raise your hand. जिसको भी audition देना wants to be part of the thing. So a bunch of people raised their hand, and there was this one person who said, this person was hesitating to raise their hand. I could see that they wanted to do it, but they weren't sure. And this person at the end just said, ki, I'm like, I named them, so I'm like, raise your hand, kuch nahi hota, try it out, give it a shot. And they're like, no, but I've never done this before, and I'm just scared of it, or something along that line. I'm like, that's exactly why you have to do it. You don't know if you like it or not, that's another thing, but you're going to learn something from this. Right? And that's enough reason to just try it out, even if you're pretty bad at it. So I see that sentiment a lot in first years or even just fourth years. Ki they're hesitant to try out new things, they're scared to fail. And I think they really undervalue the time they get in college, the number of opportunities they get. Because ये opportunity इतनी बाहर नहीं मिलने वाली जॉब के वक्त. हर दिन तुम्हें नई ईमेल नहीं आएगी कि ये ऑडिशन वो ऑडिशन ये प्ले हो रहा है यहाँ पर म्यूजिक का तुम ये कर सकते हो, नहीं मिलेगा बाहर तुम्हें इतना ज़्यादा. So for you, I have a question. How do you still get anxiety about doing things that you don't have that much experience in, and how do you overcome that? Because I think that'll help a lot of people who have a lot of anxiety about trying new things.
Yeah, this is what I would call gyan, but some amount of gyan is fine. And this is what I started for. Obviously, everyone gets anxiety. For me, particularly stage anxiety, I did not have because but a lot of people have. I fortunately don't have because I've been playing and performing music
12
since
plus years.
since I was 9 years old on stage. And I also participated in elocution competitions and all of those.
What is elocution?
It's speech essentially.
Oh.
But yeah.
Okay.
I actually still don't know what's the exact difference between a speech and an elocution, but I guess it's a fancier word.
Yes.
So utna to nahi, but I'm still way less comfortable on stage talking than playing because I am much more confident in playing tabla, whatever. So anxiety, yes, and anxiety generally about trying new things is obviously there. Everybody has it, and this is what I followed the content for, Ankur Warikoo and Sahil Bloom and all of these people. It's a good. I mean, if you have all of these things, they have reasonably nice solutions to their things, and you can follow their content.
Yeah.
And I mean, do hard things. Sort of as you said, you're not gonna get all of these audition emails once you leave college.
Yeah.
And college is as he used to say. I remember watching his videos. College is the place where you can fully fail at things and not bear the brunt of the failure at all, because people will forget. You can actually, and stakes are not high at all.
Yeah.
As you feel in the moment that stakes are very high, but they're not. So just do things. I mean, whatever. I'm taking a singing CC this time. I don't know how to sing.
You got that one, damn it. Mujhe nahi mila.
So yeah, I took a singing CC, and I always have wanted to learn singing. Every time I went to a singing class, even in my school, all of them knew that I play tabla. So the moment I go to a singing class, they're like, "Hamare saath tabla bajao."
Oh.
So, and I love playing tabla to all songs. So I would never say no. But I realized abhi कि I also like to learn singing. पर मेरे को कभी मिला ही नहीं वो, क्योंकि मैं everywhere I went to learn vocal music, they knew, most of the people knew that I play some percussion. So they made me play, and I could never say no because I love playing percussion more. Obviously that is my first thing. So now I am sort of intentionally pushing myself in नहीं actually गाना है
हाँ सीखना है.
तबला हाथ का इस्तेमाल नहीं करना है, मुंह का इस्तेमाल करके परफॉर्म करना है.
हाँ.
तो वो सब कर रहा हूँ मैं.
Interesting. You mind singing something for us?
I will take the CC then I will sing. No.
You take the CC then you'll sing.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna keep him accountable. Okay, इसके बाद तू CC के बाद तू आएगा और यहाँ करेगा.
हाँ. Okay.
On the note of the CC, you're taking 4-5 courses this time, one CC.
हाँ.
Last time you took 6 courses, which was pretty hectic. तो physics major, philosophy major है. Economics major does not apply to you. तुम्हारी life बहुत easy है.
क्या?
We get murdered. Dude, economics major is complaining. Our thing is so hard, and I'm like, bhai, physics major here, CS major here, math major degree.
That is true. That is, see,
It bugs me.
this is also, yeah, it used to bug me. It still bugs me.
I do it as a joke though. I don't really give a damn. But
But I am still a little more charitable to people.
uh-huh.
So it's fine. If things are hard for you, they are hard for you.
Yeah.
I mean, you are doing work. I mean, I see people doing Thursday nights and every week of the semester.
You have a lot of
in the
time.
first years, yeah, or a lot of
First
time.
years are different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, people like to party. First of all, I'm not a very party animal, and part of what I think is a physics major thingy, but I'm not sure.
I mean, I'm not either, but okay, I'm not even a physics major, as you said.
So, but you can be a physics major and still be a party animal.
Uh-huh.
So people do Thursday nights a lot of like almost every Thursday, every alternate Thursday, and still say, oh, I have a hectic semester, and oh, I can't handle courses. I mean, when I say I can't handle 6 physics courses or whatever, 5 physics courses, 1 FC, is when I don't sleep, I rarely eat, I don't go to the gym, I don't play, I stay up most of the nights, and I'm still then barely able to manage stuff. Is when I say, and that is what happened last semester for the first time. Uske pehle I still used to manage. I used to get a good night's sleep, barely, and like fare well. But this time, despite of doing all of these things, I fared decently, not as well as I would have hoped to. So that is what I said. Ki not very advisable to do
Right.
6 courses.
On that note, a lot of my friends from CBSE, even IB actually, so usually freshmen, not second, third years because they know how Ashoka is, but they're really worried about the academic rigor at Ashoka. उनको लगता है कि भाई
कम है?
हाँ
मुझे लगता है कम है.
नहीं तो it's interesting because I think कुछ को लगता है कम है पर majority things की वो कोप नहीं कर पाएंगे. CBSE और ICSE कुछ को लगता है वो कोप नहीं कर पाएंगे because जो उनका teaching style है it's very Ashoka का it's very different from what they're used to. And of course when they come here I think they adjust just fine. I don't think it's that big of a challenge.
I am also CBSE.
So my question to you is, first of all, is that मैं CBSE से नहीं हूँ, मैं IB था and मैंने gap year भी लिया था, I did self study, so I know how to learn on my own. I don't need a professor for that. I can do it on my own. So I didn't have that experience, but because you did, to CBSE से you came directly to college. To those kids, मतलब इतना फर्क है rigor में कि they can't hang, yeah, they can't get used to it. Is there a really huge change? CBSE, ICSE से?
I'm only remotely, indirectly aware of IB and ICSE, like whatever styles of teaching. But CBSE का अलग है काफ़ी. But I think IB में it's a lot more. There's a lot more essay focus. If I'm not
Yeah,
wrong.
more writing.
CBSE, there are essays and you have to write long answers. But it is very marks oriented. Is what I think.
So like JEE prep, but a bit toned down, dialed down,
yes.
थोड़ा सा.
The difficulty कम है.
Okay.
But the approach काफ़ी similar है.
So marks का ये बस difficulty कम है थोड़ा. Okay.
एंड CBSE का वो है कि अभी चेंज काफ़ी हुआ है CBSE भी बट if you essentially the only thing you slightly you need to work on if you want to adjust is your essay writing and articulation ability, general communication, written communication and somewhat oral communication ability.
तो जो CBSE से आए, you'd recommend कि भाई you become more articulate.
Yeah.
And
हाँ.
essay writing, argumentative writing, I think that's more important.
Argumentative भी हो जाएगा इधर आके.
Okay.
Just learn to write and not hate writing.
Not hate writing. Okay, get used to writing things.
Yes. And I also hate writing. As my favorite philosophy professor says, writing is hell, having written is heaven.
Yeah. हाँ. Yeah, I've heard that.
Editing is fine. Writing, when you stare at an empty Google Doc, no, it is hell. It is very bad. And I have written enough philosophy. I mean, क्या ही लिखा है?
Relatively speaking.
हाँ. I have written more philosophy essays than a first year, second year.
God damn.
To say it is very bad. especially when you have a deadline and you have like whatever 1500 words to write. I have the biggest essay I've written like 3500 words, but bad essays. Yeah, it is very bad to stare at a blank Google Doc. So, but you just need to put your head down and get used to writing essays and write bad essays first. It's fine.
But just
You will
get used to
better.
writing.
Yes.
Get used to argumentation and all that.
Just don't hate writing and you should be fine.
So first year का तो writing वो कर रहे हैं, just कर लिया. They've declared their majors the second, third year में. You declared your major in physics in general. So how's physics at Ashoka win? Huh? It's you'll graduate in 2 semesters more after this. Or
Yeah.
you're gonna stay for the fourth one.
This semester I'll get my BSc honors degree at the end of this semester.
Oh right. And then ESP, where would you stay?
Yeah.
So how do you feel? One semester of physics is
It's it's unreal, bro. I can't believe I'm in my 6th semester.
बहुत जल्दी चला गया.
हाँ, like बहुत जल्दी time जाता है and like you change a lot even in one semester, like things around you and things inside you. I have realized recently when I was reflecting कि एक 1.5-2 साल का equivalent of normal personality development and like whatever character. Anyways, this age में in generally काफी personal growth होती है.
Yeah.
पर especially if you are in this setting,
College में.
एक सेमेस्टर में तुम 1-1.5-2 साल वर्थ का पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट कर लेते हो ऐसे फास्ट फॉरवर्ड क्रैश कोर्स में. एंड समटाइम्स इट्स नॉट प्रिटी आल्सो. हाँ, तो ऐसे तुम मर भी मतलब काफ़ी ज़्यादा ये होता है, इंटेंस होता है. तो हाँ, मतलब आई एम थैंकफुल कि और एक साल है बाकी है. पर आई सी माई सीनियर्स एंड या आई मीन इट्स यू कैन इफ यू it's hard to leave a place like this. Especially you also won't get such dynamism and such 10,000 see you there are 4 colloquiums happening at once and you're interested in all of them.
किसमें जाओ?
हाँ, किसमें जाओ? हाँ, this is not going to happen. Take the value this. This is not going to be there for the rest of your life, especially if you are very very much looking forward to intellectual stimulation and just curious about random things in the world. ऐसा मेरे को international relations में random में colloquium में जाके बैठ जाता हूँ. Like for the first 2 years, whenever I was on campus, मैं shopping week में मेरा ये था कि मैं attend as many random classes as I can, because shopping week में ना लोग shift होते रहते हैं.
Yeah.
तो
I'm gonna do that too.
I have attended some random class. इतने ज़्यादा random class attend किए हैं मैंने.
बता.
मैंने एक IR class attend किया था. और उसमें उससे मेरे को फॉरेन पॉलिसी में भी इंटरेस्ट आ गया. एक ही क्लास अटेंड किया था मैंने. फिर मैं फिलोसफी तो मैं अटेंड करता ही हूँ. मुझे एक मेरा ये था कि मेरे को IML इंट्रो टू मशीन लर्निंग का क्लास अटेंड करना था. मेरे उस सेमेस्टर मेरा हुआ नहीं है. आई स्टिल रिग्रेट दैट. आई एम वेटिंग व्हेन नेक्स्ट टाइम द ऑफर आई विल अटेंड. तो ऐसी चीज़ें करने में कि एक्सप्लोर रैंडम. दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द रीजंस व्हाई आई केम टू अशोका कि मेरे को पॉलिटिकल साइंस वाले दोस्त भी 1-2 चाहिए. मतलब पॉलिटिकल साइंस इज अ थिंग, बट लाइक व्हाटएवर रैंडम पीपल हु स्टडी डिफरेंट थिंग्स एंड हैव डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव्स, वो सब है इधर. तो पता नहीं है आफ्टर यू लीव दिस प्लेस, पता नहीं कि रहेगा या नहीं रहेगा ये. तो जब तक है तब तक अच्छा है, कर लो. एंड फर्स्ट सेकेंड ईयर में मेरे को भी पता नहीं था ये कि हाँ ये अच्छा है, बढ़िया है, कैरेक्टर डेवलपमेंट हो रही है, ग्रोथ मेरी ये चलती रहेगी, पर इतना इंटेंस नहीं मिलेगा शायद. तो जब तक है तब तक कर लो. अच्छा.
I get really emotional as well, even though मैंने एक सेमेस्टर करा है अभी. हाँ. But still I think about shit. I only have 7 semesters left at this place.
You have a lot of time. It's fine.
That's how it feels. But I'm sure 2 semesters, 4 semesters, 5 semesters बाद I'm like, it just went away in the breeze. है ना?
So it's important that you don't sort of let it slip away as it goes. I mean, try to be as intentional and as thoughtful about it. And कि I just whenever I'm understanding कि ये इधर थोड़ा मेरा ये व्यू चेंज हुआ. हाँ, ये मेरा थोड़ा पर्सनली डेवलपमेंट हुआ है इधर, कि मेरे को इस टॉपिक के बारे में इस इंटरेक्शन से पहले ये लगता था, अब मेरे को ये लगता है. दिस मैपिंग इज देयर. सो दिस आई कॉन्शियसली खुद को ही बोलता हूँ मैं कि अरे ये चेंज हुआ है, मुझे मार्क दिस थिंग, चेक पॉइंट है. तो अगर इफ यू हैव दीज थिंग्स, एंड आई ऑल्सो लाइक ट्राई टू जर्नल सम स्टफ कि इस सेमेस्टर में ये सीखा. तो इफ यू डू दैट देन एंड यू ट्राई टू बी एज इंटेंशनल अबाउट passing your time here as possible, then sort of the regret still is there, बट ऑल्सो लाइक ओ मैंने क्या ही जैसा समय गया आया वैसे गया, ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए.
For you, do you have a regret about lost time? I feel like I do kind
Yeah,
of
yeah,
about my
I
gap year.
do.
So what about you?
I didn't have a gap year.
No, during your time at Ashoka perhaps. Or during the semesters. Because you
There
just
are
talked
there
about
are
regret.
10,000 things that I want to do, no? So there is always regrets, but I've learned to I'm still learning to not have FOMO, so prioritize stuff and all of those things. So yeah, I still so अभी मैं आज सुबह बात कर रहा था एक दोस्त से. He's an IR major. तो I told him मेरे ASP साल में I will be done with my minor. तो मेरे पास दोनों सेमेस्टर में एक स्लॉट फ्री है जिसमें मैं कोई भी रैंडम कोर्स लिख सकता हूँ या फिर कुछ नहीं ले सकता हूँ. आई कैन जस्ट व्हाटएवर कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन माय थीसिस. तो इसलिए किसके लिए लेना है, तो आई वाज लाइक मेरे को आयर कोर्स लेना है क्योंकि इंटरेस्टिंग काफ़ी लग रहा है मुझे. तो इज़ लाइक हाँ ले सकता है तू, पर प्रॉब्लम है कि एवरी आयर कोर्स अदर देन इंट्रो टू आयर नीड्स अ प्री रिक्विजिट दैट इज इंट्रो टू आयर. सो तो एक नहीं ले सकता.
You have to take that,
हाँ.
yeah.
तो मैं आई वाज लाइक अच्छा ठीक है तो मैं ऑडिट कर लेता हूँ. बट फिर भी लाइक आई विल सिट इन दोस क्लासेस एंड आई विल ऑडिट, ऐसा भी लग रहा है मुझे. वन मोर थिंग आई लर्नड इज कि डू नॉट टेक अ लॉट ऑफ योर डिसीजंस एंड थॉट्स वेरी सीरियसली.
But if it doesn't work
अभी
out,
लग रहा है मुझे इज
हाँ.
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि मुझे ये लग रहा है अभी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि बहुत चेंज होता है. वन सेमेस्टर अगो ओनली यू वुड हैव आस्क्ड मी थॉट्स ऑन 10 थिंग्स, आई वुड हैव सेड डिफरेंट थिंग्स. तो एंड आई हैव लर्न टू एक्सेप्ट दिस एज वेल कि भाई चेंज होने वाले हैं थॉट्स, इट्स फाइन. यू जस्ट फिगर लाइक फिक्सेट ऑन व्हाट यू डोंट वांट टू बिकम, and then whatever else you will never find out so quickly what you want to become, no?
Of
What
course,
kind
yeah.
of a person you want to
I
become.
mean, I don't think you'll find that out ever.
Yeah. So you just concentrate on things that you definitely don't want to become. Like you don't want to become
Eliminate
soul.
J. Pragming and Andy.
So yeah, you definitely don't want to become a nasty person.
Yeah, or religious.
Yes, okay. That also I won't say. But
I'm kidding.
so you just figure out what you don't want to become and rest everything you can do.
Wait, and when you so it's essentially about embracing change, na, and the fact that things are uncertain, बदलती रहेंगी. I'm assuming you learned that the hard way through or you learned that कुछ हुआ होगा जो अचानक से change हुआ. Something went off track, not to plan. तेरे semesters में तेरी life में. So do you mind talking about that थोड़ा? Because at least that's how I learned my lessons. So I'm inferring from that कि तेरे साथ कुछ
There
similar
are
हुआ
there
होगा.
are quite a few such small things, but what comes to my mind right now is again of an academic nature. But this is I'm sure this is not the best example I have, but this is the example that I'm coming up with right now. Is मेरे philosophy minor में ना, so I am the only physics major like friend. I'm not sure, maybe one of the two people out of our entire physics major batch.
Batch of how much? 13 students. So 2 out of 14 लगा लेते हैं once. हाँ ठीक है.
Who, I mean, everybody started off wanting to do a physics major and a minor, but they could not complete minor. And I am, and me and one other friend who's doing a visual arts minor, are the only two people completing a minor in 3 years. And that is very largely because course clashes हर semester होते हैं, हर semester, and नहीं मिलते लोगों को courses. People get frustrated and they give up their minors, which is what happened with a lot of my friends. What I did was मैं ना थोड़ा shameless हो गया और मैं दोनों reps को बहुत मैसेज भेजता था कि तुम ये क्लास चेंज कर लो, टाइमिंग ये चेंज कर लो, ये चेंज कर लो. Basically I was a lot of like I was annoying, persistent.
Yes.
And yeah, I mean, if I was the rep, I would have hated myself. I mean, if somebody did
Hated
this to
that
me.
this person, yeah.
Yeah, so I did these things and so course trajectory, what you said, कि change हुआ है belief and all of those things. तो मेरे को एक कोर्स था symbolic logic. मेरे को लगता था कि
Snyder.
हाँ.
I'm patiently waiting for him.
Okay, you have high hopes, but I won't say it's kind of unlikely he comes back.
Sabbatical लिया आ जाएगा.
अच्छा, you're not wrong enough at Ashoka to know about philosophy department faculty के sabbaticals का क्या अंजाम होता है.
Okay, we'll see. But yeah, so Snyder, symbolic
So,
logic.
लॉजिक मुझे को लेना था एक सेम, नहीं मिला. मैंने हल पिछले 2 साल के हर फिजिक्स रैप यूजी रैप जो बोलते हैं मतलब टाइम टेबल सेमेस्टर का डिसाइड करने में प्रोफेसर्स को रिक्वेस्ट और इन्फ्लुएंस करते हैं.
हाँ.
पिछले 2-3 साल के फिलोसफी और फिजिक्स यूजी रैप्स के मेरे सबसे दोस्ती है, मतलब मैंने बनाई है इंटेंशनली
Right.
he and not like, I mean, not for like cynical transactional purposes. Obviously I have shared courses with them also, so in general they were friends, but I've also sort of helped, like asked them, requested them a lot कि करो करो करो.
Mm-hmm.
तो symbolic logic का ये था कि मैं बहुत रिक्वेस्ट किया, नहीं हुआ, it was clashing. तो I could not do the course and I was like shit, मेरा minor trajectory गया. I thought मेरा नहीं होगा minor, पर rules got changed later and symbolic logic is no longer a required thing. I did end up doing the course.
With who?
Snyder only last
Oh,
semester. Last semester. Monsoon 22 में.
You lucky bastard, huh?
No, spring 23 में. Sorry. So before he left. So I didn't end up doing the course later. But yeah, these things. My belief was that symbolic logic मेरा तो मेरा खत्म है सब. नहीं है ना. It's fine. It's transitionary. बाद में change हुआ. Things worked out eventually.